Are you tired of your browser slowing down your gaming or getting overloaded with ads? Today we're diving into two popular browsers, Opera GX and Brave. Let's see which one might suit you best. Both Opera GX and Brave are built for speed and aim to give you a smoother internet experience. They come packed with unique features tailored to specific needs. Opera GX is specially made for gamers. It offers custom controls to limit CPU and RAM usage so your games run without a hitch. It also features GX Corner, keeping you updated on game releases and deals. Brave, on the other hand, focuses on privacy. It blocks trackers and intrusive ads right out of the box, which means faster load times and enhanced security. Brave also has a built in cryptocurrency wallet for the crypto savvy users. The main difference lies in their focus. Opera GX is optimizing for gaming, offering tools to tweak performance settings easily. Brave emphasizes privacy, helping you browse without leaving a footprint. When it comes to features, Opera GX offers unique things like Twitch integration and a built in VPN. Brave gives you privacy shields and rewards for viewing ads. Pricing is straightforward for both. They are free. Opera GX and Brave don't charge for regular use, but Brave rewards you for opting into ads with its cryptocurrency. If you're a gamer who wants maximum control and extra gaming features, Opera GX is a great choice. But if privacy and speed are your top priorities, then Brave might be the way to go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more comparisons and let us know which one you prefer in the comments.